Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Pickled Onions. So we're gonna make some chanterelle pasta today. Chanterelles are in season in Oregon and I happen to get some from Costco, but I love mushrooms and so we're gonna go ahead and do this. Let's begin. We're gonna start with turning on, still working with the new kitchen, turning on my cast iron pan, letting it heat up. We are going to add some olive oil to the pan. You do not need, a set-sided pan. This is just a griddle, and we're going to go ahead, liberally oil it because those mushrooms soak it up, and I really want them to get crispy. All right. So we're gonna let that heat up. Meanwhile, we're gonna get the water boiling. One day. Gonna get the water boiling for the pasta. I'm using brown rice pasta today because that's what I have. But you can use any pasta that you like. Farfalle would go really well with this. Fettuccine would go really well with this. I like whole grain pastas. Lentil pastas would go great with this. Whatever works for you, so don't worry about that. I've got some garlic, some onions, always need garlic and onions, and a few seasonings to really jazz things up. So I can see that starting to heat up. See, beautiful. Yeah, nice. Yum. Another fun thing you can do with chanterelles is make a really beautiful, like a tart. Comes out fabulous with some creamy cheese sauce, vegan cheese sauce, of course. Meanwhile, we're gonna do the onions and the sauce. There we go. All right, our olive oil. So this is not a low-fat dish. Olive oil. This is an indulgent mushroom pasta. Let that heat up. And then I'm going to throw in, really fast. Throw in the onions. Just sliced onions, one sliced onion. I'm also going to add spinach to this dish because I have spinach and because lots of garlic. We are going to do the cashew sauce. So that is about a cup of cashews, about a cup of boiling water. I have not soaked these cashews, so you definitely want the boiling water. So I'm going to add some mushroom seasoning. So here I've got my cashew blend. I'm going to flip these guys over. Yep, nice and brown. That's what you want. So into our cashew cream, we are going to add a little bit of vinegar. This is apple cider vinegar. You can use whichever vinegar you like. A thing of salt, 1 teaspoon salt. And some nutritional yeast. So I like nutritional yeast. It also has B12 if you buy the one that is supplemented. Stir that around. Meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and throw the spinach into that. Onions have started to brown. Let me show you what it looks like. All right, you can see the onions have started to brown. Oh, I wish you could smell this. It's amazing. These spinach frozen bumps will defrost, of course. And then these are the porcini. These are the chanterelles. Getting nice and brown. Right, so into the cashew sauce, back to the cashew sauce, we have a little bit of mitmita seasoning, which is spicy nutritional yeast. So I'm going to put in 3 good teaspoonfuls and some chives, freeze-dried chives, because that's what I have. We're going to cover it up, stir it around. The pasta water is boiling. I'm going to throw in pasta. So about 2 cups of pasta. So in here, just as a reminder, we've got the onions, the garlic, and the mushroom seasoning. Cook your pasta according to whatever directions the pasta comes with. That's the best way to do it. I'm going to throw in my cashew seasoning. The vinegar, nutritional yeast, and salt are key. Anything else that you add is just personal preference. So this is the spinach, the caramelized onions, and the cashew sauce. These are the chanterelles that are nicely cooked in a single layer. They've just been sautéing on this cast iron pan. They get the best sear and crispness. These are my brown rice pasta penne that are simply boiling according to the directions on the box. Alrighty, we have our boiled and drained pasta. I'm going to mix it in to the spinach and onion mushroom sauce. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, this is the pasta everyone needs to make. Truly. If chanterelles are in season, go get yourself some. Truthfully, even regular mushrooms will do this, but chanterelles just have that extra oomph. Throw some in here. Oh, beautiful. Top it off with a few mushrooms, or a lot of mushrooms. Fork, and let's go for it. Oh, crispy chanterelles, tender, delicious pasta, and the sauce is amazing.